It's bedtime, but I need to clean my kitchen, so that's what we're gonna do. So this video might be short because my kitchen is not that bad. So let's get into it. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Rainbow, a little way.
That came out. How do you do that? How do you do that? What? Gotta be the hottest. And can you wet your hands and then put it on it. Like this. Make sure you put this. Yeah, I'm the chosen one. Bro, the bottle keeps on rejecting Jerry. Look. Okay, now it's working. Does it feel weird? I know my something. I like how it does that.
Alright, the kitchen is done. Making my daughter and I some chamomile lattes.
Now tomorrow's going to be the last in the kitchen.
And then we're gonna go to bed. And you're gonna clean it up. Dang it, man.
Make sure to put milk.
I'm gonna put milk in it, golly, girl.
Is that recording stuff?
Yes. Do we have milk?
There we do.
Okay.
Ugh.
Is that okay with you? Ooh, it's hot.
How hot is it?
It's pretty hot. But it's milk in there, so it should be cool though. I should have let the tea brew in the water first before I put the milk. I should have put the milk in after the tea. I made the tea. I mean, it's still good. We about to go to sleep. We about to sleep good. It's good? Alright, y'all. We about to go straight to bed. Thank you guys for being here with me and watching me clean up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.